Welcome to Trip Hack Hub, where we help you travel smarter, spend less, and experience more. One for the comments. What's your biggest travel mistake so far? We've all got one, share it below. The biggest lie in travel is that you need to be a corporate road warrior with 1,000,000 miles to sit in the front of the plane. You do not. You just need to be smarter than the person standing next to you at the gate. The system is rigged in favor of the people who know how to ask the right questions at the right time. Let us start with the most important rule. Never ask for an upgrade at the check-in desk. That is where they are stressed and busy. You want to talk to the gate agent exactly 40 minutes before boarding begins. This is the sweet spot. They have finished the initial check-in process. They know exactly how many empty seats are left in business class. Most importantly, they have the authority to move people around before the door closes. Approach the desk with a smile and be direct. Say that you are a loyal flyer and that you notice there are some empty seats in the premium cabin. Ask if there is any possibility of a seat assignment change. Do not demand anything. If you are polite, they are often happy to clear a seat just to make their own boarding process easier. Moving one person from economy to business clears up a seat in the back. That helps them with weight distribution or seating families together. You are actually helping them solve a problem. The second step is knowing what the airline is looking for. They have a priority list. It is not always about money. Sometimes it is about logistics. If you are flying solo, you have a much higher chance of getting that upgrade than if you are traveling with a group of 4. Airlines do not want to split up a family. They are looking for the easiest way to fill a gap. If you are sitting in a middle seat in the back, you are a perfect candidate to be moved. It is harder for them to move someone who has already paid for a premium economy seat, because those people expect more value for their money. Speaking of money, you should look into a travel credit card that offers automatic status or lounge access. Even if you do not get the seat upgrade, having access to the lounge changes the entire travel experience. You can get free food and drinks and a quiet place to work. It makes the economy flight feel like a secondary concern. Many of these cards offer sign-up bonuses that cover the cost of your first few trips entirely. It is a baseline tool for anyone serious about saving money. Now let us talk about the app. Download the airline's official app before you leave your house. Check the seat map constantly. If you see a row that is completely empty in the back, do not wait to be assigned a seat. Use the change seat function to claim that entire row for yourself. This is what I call the poor man's lie flat seat. You get 3 seats to yourself for the price of 1. It is not business class, but it is the next best thing, and you did not pay a dime extra. Another trick is to look for flights that are oversold. Airlines are desperate to get people off these flights. If you are flexible, tell the gate agent you are willing to take a later flight in exchange for a travel voucher or cash. I have seen people get $500 in credit for a 3-hour delay. Use that credit to book your next flight in a higher cabin class. You effectively pay for your upgrades with the airline's own money. Remember that this is a game of patience and preparation. Do not get frustrated if it does not happen on your first attempt. Keep trying these steps and you will be surprised how often you find yourself in a better seat. It is about playing the system instead of letting the system play you. Quick but important travel hack. Set up your eSIM before you fly. This is where most travelers make a costly mistake. They land in a new country and suddenly realize they have no data, no Google Maps, no Uber, no way to message their hotel, and no way to translate anything. You're standing in an airport, tired, possibly jet-lagged, trying to find Wi-Fi just to figure out your next move. That's not how you want to start your trip. Here's the smarter move. Set up an eSIM before you even leave home. An eSIM is a digital SIM card built right into your phone. Instead of swapping physical SIM cards, you just download a plan, scan a QR code, or install via an app, and activate it in your phone settings. That's it. No stores, no waiting in airport kiosks, no dealing with language barriers. The moment your plane lands and you turn off airplane mode, you're connected instantly. Having data right when you land means you can open maps immediately, call a ride in seconds, contact your hotel, check bookings, and navigate public transit without getting lost or overpaying for taxis. And roaming charges from your home carrier can be insanely expensive. eSIMs are usually a fraction of the price, especially for short trips. We've tested a lot of options, and our go-to providers are Saili and Airalo. They're reliable, easy to set up, and cover most countries around the world. Quick tip: install and activate your eSIM before your flight, but only turn it on when you land, so you don't waste any data time. We've put links to the best eSIM providers, along with other travel companies we use, in the description below. Using those links doesn't cost you anything extra, but we do earn a small commission, and that support helps us keep this channel running and keep making helpful travel videos for you. Curious what you'd say to this one? What's the best travel hack you've ever used? Tell us in the comments. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe to Trip Hack Hub for more travel hacks. Now check out this next video. It's the one most travelers wish they watched before their last trip.